Stellar AI, as of today, has been entirely refurbished and changed. And so what does that mean? In my previous video of day 9 of documenting this process of building Stellar AI, I have said that I'm going to add a different project flow, creating projects using Stellar AI, and also like many different features. Now I've implemented them, and now Stellar AI is also free. What you can do is create a project, and you will have the AI guide you through the process of software development in a chat. And if you need to create a little small other chat to ask, oh, how do I complete this coding function in this and this and this, you can create it, and then the AI will still remember everything you've discussed before in the previous chat, right? So it's context aware in the project. What else? Now the calendar works as properly, and yeah, many changes to it have been implemented. So that is great. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Stellar AI is an AI tool that I've made for software developers. And so, yeah. And another thing that I want to say is I've had this spectacular idea given to me by none other than a chatbot called chatgpt.com to create a video series, and I will call it something like Innovation with Stellar AI or Innovating with Stellar AI, something like that, where I will just build a personal work portfolio website using Stellar AI, demonstrating how Stellar AI can be helpful to anybody who's watching, right? Like any software developers. And they can sign up, they can like, and it's free as well. So like people won't feel like they're giving their money away to something like they don't trust. Maybe they'll scam them, maybe something like that. And so I just made it entirely free so that they can try it out. And if anything, they can delete their account and forget about it. And I don't know, use incognito or something like that to ensure that no information is stolen or something like that. But they can just try it out by after seeing the series, and this way I will be able to gain kind of users so that people can see, okay, Stellar AI is actually helpful. I mean, right now, of course, if I were to actually objectively say, it definitely has a lot of flaws, but nonetheless, it is still better than it was before. And so, of course, a personal work portfolio website is fairly simple, but it's still better than, I mean, I don't think Stellar AI currently, as I've built it right now, is suited to build something more complicated. So I will just display some kind of very simple project, like a personal work portfolio website. And then after some time, as I continue to improve Stellar AI on my own, then I will like maybe switch to something more difficult, like, I don't know, creating a social media app, right? Makeshift social media app, right? Or something like that, where you have to use a small machine learning model to be able to have that recommendation system and all these things. That would be very interesting to see how I could actually do that. But for now, we're going to stay with a personal work portfolio website. Again, I cannot wait to see where I can go with Stellar AI and with things like that. And also another helpful thing would be, since I'm documenting, I might as well say, is hate, right? So like when I make this series, people are going to be like, oh, it's so bad, your website is so bad. It's actually helpful because people share their immediate like annoyances, what pisses them off, right? If they see, okay, in the settings or something like that, or when I open the calendar for my tasks, or when I, try to chat with the AI, there's some problem, there's like the AI responds this way, or this HTML doesn't open, or something like that. Very helpful because I don't have to test it myself, right? Because otherwise I have to simulate a user experience on my own and sit here for long hours, whereas I can have many people do that for me, share their annoyances, and then I can use that to fix it, which is also very helpful. And this is, I believe, day 10 of documentation. When I say day 10, I just mean video 10. So like I'm not recording a day every day or something like that, as you can tell probably by the span between, like, day 7 was literally last year, or day 6 was literally last year that I've documented. So, it's obviously video 10.